Hi everybody, and welcome to one of my morning routines regarding the exercise. So today I have for you 3 different exercises which will wake you up, and for this one you just need like 5 minutes, and you can do this straight out of your bed and it's just perfect. So first one, we're gonna start with one mobility exercise which will waken up your body. Then we're gonna add up one strength exercise, and the third one will be mobility and the strength related. So let's go now through the breakdown of these three moves, and then we're gonna do this short mini 5 minute workout together. Okay, so the first exercise is a mobility one, and pay attention and follow along with me because we're gonna add up the elements as we go, all right? And first one, the simple one, so just inhale up, stretch your body up, sending hips back, and we're gonna walk into the plank. From the plank, we're gonna go down into down dog. Now, right leg goes next to your right hand outside. And the next element, again, going back to down dog. And we repeat this on the other side. Good. All right, so now we're gonna bend the knees. You're gonna shoot yourself forward into the up dog and really stretch everything out. So that's the first part. And then we're just gonna add up the elements. So we're here, downward facing dog. You can bend the knees or you can have them straight. It's up to you. I like to bend it, stretch it out. You're gonna shoot forward, and now we're gonna do the rotation with your shoulders. Touch your bum if you want to. Go on the other side, back reverse, and shoot your hips back, bending the knees. Shoot yourself forward, stretch it out, rotate. Good. Down, and now rotate up into the up dog or cobra. So up dog is like quads lifted, and then again down, and so on. So this is exercise 1, and just try to go a little bit slow in the beginning and feel your body, but this one is really good. All right, let's go together now for 10 reps. Okay, so we're starting down dog, and we go forward, open up, rotate. Now bend or not bend knees, up to you. Open up, good. Down and shoot yourself forward into the up dog. Good. Again, down, bend. Good. Bend. Open up. Down, shoot yourself forward. Good. All right. Good. Open up. Good. That was 6. Down, round, open up. Good. And we go down. Good. Open up. Awesome. Really feel how your body is actually opening up, and you're gonna feel just amazing. We have 2 more to go. Open up. So inhale, exhale, breathe. Good. And open up. Awesome. And that's it. So that's the first move, and actually it will open up your body nicely. It will warm up your body nicely. So it's great that you just, when you wake up, you add up this one. Of course, before we're gonna go now into another one, which is a kettlebell swing. And it's also a great move to strengthen your glutes, your hamstrings, and you get a little bit of this static cardio in. So how do we do the kettlebell swings? So kettlebell is in front of you, back is straight, so engaging your core, opening up your chest, your back is straight, and now you're gonna swing back with your kettlebells and swing forward. So you're locking your hips as well. So you not try to do this one as well, just and propel it. Okay, and we're gonna go for 20 reps in total. All right, let's go. So engage your core, sending hips back. All the power comes from the hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Whew. Awesome. And as always, it started to rain, but it's fine. We will continue when it stops. Okay, for our third exercise, you're gonna need a small dumbbell, but you can also do this without a dumbbell. So it's a very good mobility for our shoulder as well, and for our core and the hips, and you will see what I mean. So you're gonna lift one arm up, and the same, you're gonna also lift the same leg up. You're gonna look up into the dumbbell, and this arm goes down, and you're sending your hips backwards. Good, and you try to be down like it's a windmill, right? And you come up as well, you shoot yourself up. Good, engaging your core, look up, you go down and go up. Yeah, so if you don't want to use a dumbbell, just lift up your arm, look it up. Good, now engage your core, and you're going to also feel the nice lower back as well, muscles engaged in the lower back. And then you're going to go on the other side. So we're going to repeat for, let's say, 6 reps on one side. Good, so engage your core, lifting up, look up, lock the elbows. Also make sure that the fist is not like this, that the knuckles are up and your grip is strong. Arm up, engage it, and we go down. Good, and we press up. So really you have to have a strong core, okay? Down, press up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. Now we change to the other side. So have your weights up, and we're gonna go down. Good. Come up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. Whew. And that was your 5-minute mobility / strength mini workouts just to wake you up. And yeah, you can do this on a daily routine just to feel good. If you don't have any longer morning workouts, I think this is a perfect way to start your day. You have a little bit, first the mobility for the full body opening up, then we have a little bit of the strength, and then you have also a little bit of the core and upper body strength as well. So if you like this style, if you like my style of training, so then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, become a member as well, or become a member of the Patreon page, where I'm also posting workouts for every single day from Monday till Sunday, so you always have something to work on and you always have workout routine ready for you. All right, so thank you so much for training with me, and I see you on Sunday, where I will post one of my longer workouts. Till then, have fun and enjoy your day.